I know it's got some white spots on it. That's that adhesive spray. I am going to see what I can do to get that off of there because I don't want it to be attracting dirt and dust. I did have to touch up the E because the way the stencil was, it just let it all run together. And a little bit on the A. I had to put a little bit on there. At that top hump of the A was touching the bottom belly. So I just put a little dot in there. And the shoes actually did have um, holes for the straps. And I did put them on there, but they were so tiny, they ended up just getting fused to the spray. So I just did a little couple of dots of the chestnut brown on there to make that stand out a little more. I touched up the top of the N to give it a little more definition. And then right here, I did just a little bit. But other than that, everything else came out nice and crisp. I did like this process. Um, I will probably do this one again if someone requests it. This is for my daughter who loves Uncle Clifford. I like Uncle Clifford too. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Uncle Clifford goes by she, her. But Uncle Clifford is no joke. She is hilarious. She makes the show. And if you have not watched P Valley, I suggest that you do so. There will be starting season 3 soon.